welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing another wig from AliExpress. This is Annabelle's 13x4 16-inch straight wig that I purchased with my own money, and the way I curled it and the way I styled it, it's just giving me very much rich auntie vibes, especially with this turtleneck and this chain. I don't know, y'all, like I feel like I need to go to like a holiday party or something and pop out with the fur coat, because this is really cute. Okay, like super cute. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and get right into this process of how I achieve this look. This is how the package came in, and this is how the wig looks like before I go in and wash it. This is a pre-plucked hairline, and I think they did a really good job plucking this unit. It looks really natural. The wig also comes with these long baby hairs, as y'all going to see when I put them on my head. They look like bangs. They're like super long. And this is the inside construction of the wig. It comes with 4 combs, 1 in the middle, 2 on the side, and 1 in the back, along with adjustable straps. So this is how the wig looks like after I went in and washed it, and all I did off camera was make a side part and use my hot comb to flatten out the top. And I did apply some of my wax sticks to the top because there were some flyaways that needed to be tamed. But other than that, that's all I did off camera. Once again, I'm showing you guys how long the baby hairs are and how pre-plucked frontal looks like. Alright, so I decided to add some curls into this wig because I feel like the wig was a little bit on the thinner side. So I just used my flat iron just to add some curls, and these curls turned out so well. And I was a little skeptical at first because I've had some straight hair in the past that just does not hold a curl no matter what. But this wig, y'all, it holds a curl so well. So I'm using my flat iron just to make my curls go away from my face because I just like the way that looks like. And let me know in the comments down below if y'all are team flat irons or if y'all are team curling irons, because me personally, I cannot curl with a curling iron. Like, it's just not gonna work. But with that flat iron, them curls gonna look good. So yeah, that's just pretty much it. I was using my hairspray in between the sections just to make sure that the curls wasn't gonna fall anytime soon, and just to make sure it was gonna stay in place. Alright, and this is the finished look, and y'all, them curls look so good, especially the ones at the top. And I'm just using my hairspray just to give it a final spray, just to make sure everything looks good, everything is in place, and just to make sure these curls are not dropping anytime soon. Alright, y'all, so this is how the wig looks like when it is on. All I did off camera was put some powder in the hairline, and I tinted the lace using the Ebin tinted lace spray in the color medium brown. So I'm gonna just section off the baby hairs and before I cut the lace, because I don't want to cut off the baby hairs because that's gonna be crazy. When you are cutting your lace, I don't recommend cutting it on your forehead if you don't really know how to cut, because I don't want you to cut yourself. So you can definitely put it on the wig head and then cut it, or if you are cutting on your head, just be careful not to cut yourself, because I'm using these little scissors, or some people that use razors. So it's to your preference. I just grab whatever's near to me and I'm using it. So be careful when you're cutting off your lace. Just do not cut yourself. I'm gonna put my glasses on for this because it's getting a little serious. So I'm gonna put my glasses on for this, and I'm gonna cut this lace off. Got my good scissors, and I'm gonna just cut the lace. So now I'm gonna start doing some baby hairs because I need some baby hairs. Okay, so this side is done. I did it off camera because I don't know, something about doing baby hairs on camera, it just never turns out right. But the minute I turn my camera off, it just turns out good. But this part I kind of want to tweeze because it's a little too thick right there. Or I need to pluck some of the baby hairs out because I don't like harsh baby hairs for me personally. I don't know, everyone has their preference, but some of these hairs, they just gotta come out. It's just a little too much for me. Lace looks so good. I'm sorry, I just really had to say that because it just looks so good. And it's what is it, pre-plucked? Okay, I didn't do no plucking except just a little bit right there, not even too much though, like honestly didn't even do the most. Alright, so I'm gonna use a little bit of this and I'm just going to put some on my hands. Too much with the curls because I know straight hair is gonna drop. Honestly, the hair is thin and that is why I put these curls in it, because I knew straight hair is gonna be thin, especially with this a 16-inch, but I was trying to make it as thick as possible. But other than that, it's super soft and it feels really good. I just wish it was a little more fuller, but I think with the curls added, it does good justice. Let me show y'all the back of it. Hopefully y'all can see that and how far it goes. Okay guys, so this is pretty much the final look of this hair, and I think I did a really good job styling it and curling it. Like I said, like, I don't know, it's just giving me very much holiday season and rich auntie vibes, because like it's just so cute. Like, it's really cute. I don't know, I feel like I just got like a roller set. Anywho, let's just go ahead and get into the specs of this unit. So once again, this is Annabelle's straight 16-inch pre-plucked unit, and I did get a 180 density. The density for me is a little bit on the thinner side. I feel like it's low-key a 150 density, but I can't really be too mad about it because it is a straight wig. So straight wigs from AliExpress, they tend to run on the thinner side. So if I wanted something more full, I probably would have got like a body wave hair texture. The next thing is shipping. The shipping was fast. It took about like 5 days for it to arrive, so I really like that about it. The price point for this wig was about less than $100. I did purchase this wig during Black Friday, so they were having a sale, and that's when I purchased it. So, you know, it's a little cheap. I don't know what the price is right now, but everything will be linked in the description down below, so you guys can check it out if you're interested in purchasing this unit. The wig is big head friendly. My head circumference is about 23 inches, so I do have a big head and it fits well. If you have a smaller head, you're probably gonna adjust the straps to fit you more. If you have a bigger head than me, you're probably gonna like loosen up the straps. The unit is a true pre-plucked unit. Definitely love that aspect because I did not pluck this unit except for like a little bit right there, but you can barely even tell because I think my tweezers was blunt and I just stopped plucking. Other than that, I didn't pluck the part. All I did was add some powder to the part, and I just sprayed the lace with the Ebin hair tint spray, and that was pretty much it. I didn't even like glue this wig down. All I did was just like style my hair with like my mousse and probably like use a little bit of gossipy gel to kind of set some parts in place, but that was really it. Like, I mean, easy, and that's up my alley. I love easy wigs, because my other units that be saying is pre-plucked, it be coming like with a square hairline. I'm like, lies. What plucking did you do? Because I don't see it. I don't see it at all. Yeah, definitely love that it is really pre-plucked, so I like that about it. The only con that I have about it is that it is a little bit on the thinner side. For shedding, I did get shedding when I did wash the unit, but that's kind of expected. When I wash my units, I do get a couple strands. Other than that, I haven't really been getting like excessive shedding. I do get a couple strands here and there, so that's kind of expected. So when people be saying like, oh, this wig doesn't shed, girl, your real hair sheds. So I know your wig is gonna shed too. Now, it's gonna be a lot, probably not, but the wig is gonna shed. So I can't just sit up here and be like, oh, the wig doesn't shed, because that's a lot. Yeah, but it's not nothing that's like, oh my gosh, like I got a whole coat on that I didn't even know I had on. Like, you know, it's not like that, but you are gonna get like a couple strands. So I think I pretty much addressed all of the specs about this wig. If you have any questions or concerns that I didn't address in this video, definitely leave them in the comments down below. And if you enjoy videos like this, give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button on your way out. And that pretty much wraps up this video, so I'll see y'all guys in my next video. Bye.